All right now everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name's Kyle. This is KentuckyKoozie's Firewood channel and some other things. So go ahead and watch some videos. Subscribe if you like. Today we're out here in the middle of a field all by myself. There's plenty of things to do in Kentucky, but I'm pretty much showing you this field right here. So maybe one day we could move around a little and do some other things, but until that day comes, we're going to show you this field. So we've got some cottonwood here. Pretty sure this is cottonwood. Yep, looks like it to me. And it's just a nice sized log they brought in. It's easy bucking, easy lifting, and I need to fill out my day here and buck some wood. And I'd also like to finish running my splitter out of gas. So I may split a couple of these rounds and see how they go and see how long it takes to run that splitter out of gas. And I just want to see how it splits, because I got the 30-ton log splitter today, so I could bring the 25-ton back if it's not too bad. But that's what we're doing here now. I'm just going to buck up this cottonwood, move it over near the splitter here, and do a little splitting. So come along and follow along, and I'm going to get fired right up now and buck some wood. So apparently this is what happens if you don't cut your grass. That is some pretty thick stuff right there, I'll tell you what, and it's about 8 feet tall. All right. Alright everybody, I'm going to be signing off. There's my Cottonwood on the peak of Mount Wood there. It's getting pretty big, but I will burn through this wood this winter, sail through it, blow through it, whatever you want to say here. This is January and February wood. So that was about, I think, 11 or 12 rounds of that cottonwood. Hopefully it dries fast. Now the splitter keeps running and running and running. I've been waiting for over 5 minutes. I thought it was going to die any second. I didn't even fill the tank up all the way, and I've been splitting for like 3 hours, and it's still going. So I'm waiting for the splitter to turn off, but anyways, that's it for me. As soon as this splitter turns off, I'm out of here. I could just drive home with it running, I guess, and see how it does. I'm ready to get out of here, so check y'all later.